Those puny, cat-like animals had transformed into monsters.
For Indo-Hyas and its heavy bones, water is a refuge. And stepping away from land turned out to be a masterstroke. This new world offers up plentiful food and new opportunities. Over generations, their relatives become much more streamlined. Limbs are replaced with paddle-like flippers. Nostrils migrate further away from their long snouts. Tails get flatter and more powerful. And the once hoofed mammals are now completely aquatic.
This was one of the most astonishing body transformations in the course of evolutionary history. In just over 10 million years, these tiny terrestrial tiptoeing animals had transformed into sleek, streamlined swimmers. And I've got the cast of a skull of one of them here. This is Duodon, and it lived 40 million years ago. And the teeth do all of the talking. Look here, these massive canines for catching and gripping the prey, and then these teeth here for shearing it into tiny pieces. This would have been an impressive animal, but not the biggest. One of its relatives, Basilosaurus, grew to the length of a bus. Those puny, cat-like animals had transformed into monsters. Superb. But of course, things didn't stop there. This is a cast of the skull of Simacetus, a distant relative of Duodon, and it lived 32 million years ago. But look at the skull. Pretty radically different. It's much shorter, it's far more structurally complex on top here.
Simacetus was part of a new group of marine mammals, the odontocetes, or toothed whales.
Look at this depression here. We think an organ called the melon might have sat here. It's a fatty sphere. Sounds produced from the nasal passages are focused through it like a lens and projected out into the animal's environment. When they bounce back, they're captured by the lower jaw, part of which is hollow, transferred to the inner ear, which sends the information to the brain. You know what I'm saying here, don't you? Echolocation had evolved. Echolocation. What about that? But we think something else radical might have been happening at the same time. We think that animals like this might have been at the start of a journey from being solitary hunters to hunting together. And this social behaviour would have a profound effect on the development of the brain.